Destined to become South Africa's global trade gateway, the Dube TradePort in KwaZulu-Natal is an exciting new development, comprising the King Shaka International Airport, an Agrizone with climate-controlled production facilities, a trade zone linked to a state-of-the-art cargo terminal, and Dube City property development, serving both the aviation industry and local communities. It is planned to be the first green precinct in Southern Africa. It is here that an exciting partnership between SOLARWORLD and Power Solutions will result in the largest grid-tied solar PV installation in Africa.
We are here on the roof at Dube TradePort Agrizone in Durban, and we are currently busy with a 220 kilowatt peak solar installation on this roof. The system will essentially power the consumption in this building, which is mainly a cooling facility and a packing facility, and also send some of the power into the greenhouses that you can see around you here, which are producing vegetables and flowers for the international market.
This photovoltaic installation, taking place on the roofs of the two adjacent packhouses, will have utilized more than 2,800 solar modules by its completion. The first phase of this installation, with a capacity of 220 kilowatt peak, takes place on the roof of the logistics and storage facility, feeding power into the Agrizone grid. The second phase of the installation, on the adjacent packhouse, will, with its 410 kilowatt peak capacity, take this installation to 630 kilowatt peak. The energy generated by this installation will offset the carbon emissions of the Dube TradePort's Agrizone by 830 tons every year for more than 25 years.
The system that you see behind me is the biggest rooftop installation in Africa. For us at SOLARWORLD, it was a huge step to be taken because it is the breakthrough for the acceptance of PV electricity generation in South Africa and Africa. Being ahead of the World Climate Change Conference COP17 taking place here in Durban, it's a very important signal that is sent out from here into the rest of Africa.
We as Dube TradePort decided to install these solar panels for a number of reasons. One, it's to reduce our operational costs. With the recent increases in electricity tariffs, we think in the long run, this is going to assist us and assist all the operators in the zone to become very competitive. We also decided to install the solar panels because in our target markets, both local and international, there is a trend where consumers are purchasing products which have a lower carbon footprint and which are environmentally sustainable. So we think it's a good source of competitiveness. It's going to assist us to penetrate markets, and it also fits in with the broader vision of the Dube TradePort projects, which is to have a sustainable development precinct that is low on carbon footprint, that's also quite conservative in terms of water use, and utilizes renewable energy as much as possible.